สวัสดีค่ะช่องยูและคลิฟนะคะเดี๋ยววันนี้จะมาเรียนภาษาอังกฤษกับคลิฟเดี๋ยวให้คลิฟสอนภาษาอังกฤษเพราะว่าทุกวันนี้ใช้ภาษาอังกฤษก็งูปลาก็อยากจะเรียนคำศัพท์เพิ่มบางคำศัพท์ก็ไม่รู้ว่าเขาจะสะกดว่ายังไงหรือออกเสียงว่ายังไงนะคะก็เดี๋ยววันนี้ยูจะมาเรียนเพิ่มจากคุณสามี โอเคเริ่มกันเลยแล้วกันเนาะ
First word is Colonel.
Colonel.
Very good. Example is Colonel Sanders is the mascot for KFC.
For KFC? What stand for KFC?
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Right.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Colonel?
Colonel. Very nice. Very good.
Okay. C-O-L-O-N-E-L. Colonel.
Perfect.
Okay.
Ready for next one?
Alright, yeah.
Rural.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's going to be a hard one.
Okay. Rural?
That's close.
Rural.
It's rural.
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 Perfect, yeah.
โอ้ยยากอ่ะ Rural.
It's close. Very close.
Rural.
No, it's a rural.
Rural.
There you go. Yeah. No, that was tricky.
ยากอ่ะ Rural.
And then going to...
So is this a place with a countryside style?
Yeah. So like Bananidam is a rural town.
Oh, rural town. Okay. Just like small village?
Yeah, small kind of spread out. It's like, you know, it's not like big city. It's rural.
Okay. Okay. Oh man.
Mischievious.
What?
Mischievious.
Mischievous.
That's good actually. Mischievious.
Mischievous.
Nice. Very good.
Is it a naughty joker? What?
A naughty joker, troublemaker.
Troublemaker?
Mischievous. Like the boy is mischievous.
Mischievous.
Mischievous. No, there's no T. It's mischievous.
Mischievous.
Yeah, it's all one word about mischievous.
ยากอ่ะ
Oh, you're doing good. Doing good.
Okay.
Quinoa.
What?
Exactly. That one sucks. Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Very nice.
What
It's
does
a
it mean?
Edible seed.
Oh, edible seed.
It's kind of
Quinoa.
quinoa.
Is it English?
I think it's South American.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Okay.
Hippies love to eat quinoa.
What?
It's kind of a granola.
Okay. Kiwa.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
You
Okay.
might run into that.
Oi.
Phenomenon.
Phenomenon.
Nice.
Phenomenon.
Yep. Phenomenon.
Okay. So something seemed to happen.
Yeah, it's kind of hard one to explain. It's kind of something special. Like rainbows are a spectacular weather phenomenon. Use that.
Phenomenon.
It's just something. Yeah.
Seemed to happen.
When something happens, and you see it, it's a phenomenon. Special. Like,
Phenomenon.
okay.
Phenomenon.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
doing good. Specific.
Specific. Specific.
There you go.
Okay. Specific.
That's an exact.
Like exactly specific.
Yeah.
Okay. Like exact.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
But I need that specific part to make it work. Specific.
Specific.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Draft.
Draft.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Draft.
Draft. Okay.
And that's just beer served from a keg instead of a bottle. You get a draft beer.
Oh yeah. Okay, draft beers. I heard it
It
often.
looks like draught, but it's draft.
So DRAUGHT. So draft.
Draft.
Okay. So give me a draft beer, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Draft.
Give me a draft beer, please. Okay. All right.
Honor.
This word I know.
Oh, you know honor. Okay.
Okay.
good.
Honor.
Yeah, honor.
Honor.
On.
Honor.
Honor. Yeah.
Okay. Honor.
Yeah, you don't pronounce that H. It's just
Okay.
honor.
Just like
Doing the right thing, or it's like a, respect award. You can use it a couple different ways.
okay.
Like an honor to receive that award.
It was an honor to receive that reward.
Award.
Okay. Award. Okay.
Yeah, you get the reward, I guess, too.
Okay.
Mauve.
What?
Mauve.
Why you say mauve instead of
Mauve.
mauve? Yeah.
It's mauve.
Mauve?
Yeah. It's
What does it mean?
just a light purple color, kind of in between purple and pink. It's mauve.
Purple and pink.
Yeah.
Mauve.
I should have found something. We don't have anything mauve around here.
Purple and pink.
Yeah. You don't run into it. It's mauve.
It's not purple. It's not pink. It's mauve.
Perfect.
Just like my mom say. ไม่ใช่สีแดง ไม่ใช่สีเขียว สีแหล่
What is C lele?
It's mauve.
Oh, okay. Nice.
It's mauve. สีแหล่ I don't know. All right, next.
Panacea.
Is it English?
I would say it's some sort of Spanish derivative.
Panacea?
Panacea.
Panacea.
Very nice. And it's a cure-all.
What is cure?
One thing that fixes everything. A panacea.
Panacea.
Usually would, like a drug that fixes everything. But there's no panacea for the flu. Panacea.
Panacea.
Yeah.
Panacea.
You want to try them again? Or?
Okay. Oh my. Oh man.
Yeah, you're doing good. You're doing good.
All right. Colonel.
Perfect.
Rural.
No, you're very good. Try that again.
Rural.
Perfect. Good.
Okay. What name was that? Mischievious.
Close. Mischievious.
Mischievious.
Mischievous.
Mischievious.
There you go. There you go. No, that's a tough one. That's hard one.
And quinoa.
Perfect. A lot of people call it quinoa, but it's quinoa.
Quinoa.
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay. Phenomenon. What?
Phenomenon.
A phenomenon.
Yeah, that turns
Okay.
into an F when they do a PH. So it's
So phenomenon.
perfect. Yep.
So something to seem happen. Just like. Still don't understand. I don't know how to use it.
Yeah, it's a hard one.
A phenomenon.
It's kind of like a special thing that happens. Usually you'll see it with like weather. Because, they'll do a lot of weather phenomenons like tornadoes or a weather phenomenon. Hail's a phenomenon. It just, it's a hard one to describe.
Okay. Specific. Specific.
Specific, yeah.
Yeah, specific.
Perfect, yeah.
So, like, I need something specific for my somtam.
Yeah. Like, papaya.
Okay.
Papaya is a specific ingredient for something.
Okay. Draft. Okay. This is a beer draft. And honor.
There you go.
Okay. It was an honor to receive your money.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah. Usually it's an award or something, but you know,
Okay.
yeah, that's okay. That's good.
Mauve
Nice.
is not สีแดง it's not สีเขียว it's สีแหล่ๆ Okay, it's not purple.
สีเขียว สีชมพู
ใช่ it's not สี it's not สีชมพู it's not สีม่วง it's สีแหล่ๆ it's mauve.
Perfect.
It's between purple and pink, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really ugly.
It's very ugly. Okay. So Panacea.
That's good. Panacea. Yep. Something.
How to use Panacea again?
It's just something, you know, if you have a panacea, it fixes everything. So, usually it's with drugs or something. You know, if you have a panacea, it fixes all your problems. But another tough one, but you'll see it used.
Okay.
Especially nowadays.
All right, I will practice. And then I will try to use it. To use the word, the new word. Thank you very much.
ยินดีค่ะ
โอเคค่ะ วันนี้ก็ได้คำศัพท์เพิ่มมา10 คำก็เดี๋ยวจะไปฝึก มีแต่คำยากๆ แต่รู้อยู่คำหนึ่งสีแหล่ๆสีแหล่ๆ what you say again?
มาฟ
Math yeah สีแหล่
สีแหล่
ๆ โอเคค่ะ ไว้เจอกันคลิปหน้าเนาะบ๊ายบาย
ๆ